Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 and we are going to present about UniSZA Hostel Management System. So this is the content of our presentation. The first one is our team and then introduction of the hostel management system and then three stakeholders involved and then their roles and interests and two requirements elicitation techniques, rationale and the last one is references.
Our group consists of 6 members including myself, Nur Farhan Najmuddin bin Faris, 073630, our project leader Hamil Iman bin Kamal, 072976, Pichit anak lelaki Tawin, 072522, Muhammad Izzuddin bin Mat Iman, 073242, Muhammad Dina bin Azlan, 073836, and the last member, Muhammad Amir Fitri bin Zulnasri, 072671.
Introduction of the system. So what is UniSZA Hostel Management System? UniSZA Hostel Management System is a new digital solution or a system aimed at improving the efficiency of management of the UniSZA hostel, ranging from managing student accommodation, maintenance, and all other operations related. So it's essentially this management system is a system used for students to book a room or to report maintenance issues instead of doing it in a traditional way. So there are three stakeholders involved, which is the first one is student, second one is administrator, and the third one is hostel's warden. So the first stakeholders involved is students. So the roles in this hostel management system is first room booking and allocation. So they can choose their room, whether it be a room type, location, or roommate request. So the journal collected is hostel booking system when properly utilized leads to reduced time wastage, increased efficiency, and reduction in cost, said by Cody in 2021. So the second role is maintenance reporting. So the student can provide reports for maintenance issues such as a broken fan, broken window, or anything that related to maintenance issue. And for their interest, the student will be interested in a management system that is convenience. So they want the room booking, maintenance reporting, amenity scheduling, and bill payment to be convenient. And the second one is safety and security. Of course, they want the data to be safely and securely utilized. And also they want to ensure their safety and security in terms of their physical. So moving on to the next stakeholders, which is the administrator. So their roles in the system is system management. So they oversee the setup, configuration, and maintenance of the hostel management system. The system will enable hostel administrator to easily manage hostel information about students' room. Second part is they allocate and maintains. So they manage room allocation, oversee maintenance schedules, and also they handle facility-related tasks. Third roles of administrator is they facilitate communication, enforce hostel policies, and ensure compliance with regulation. Second part is their interest. So the first interest is they want to have a good data management and analysis. So the analyzing occupancy rates, financial trends, and facility usage to inform decision making and also the resource allocation. And it can also make it easier to organize information and help the administrator of the form to assess how well both settings are performing with regards to facilities management. So the second interest, of course, they want to have a user satisfaction and adaptability. So information management system based on principles of adaptability and personalization leverages electronic content management, users interactivity and also collaboration. So they want to make the people that use this system be satisfied and also can adapt to the settings of the system.
Now I will explain the roles and interests of the last stakeholders involved in this system. Their role includes safety and security, which is ensuring the safety and security of hostel students, emphasizing their responsibility and for safety concern. Next is maintenance and facilities management. The hostel warden oversee the maintenance and upkeep the hostel facilities, including repairs and safety standards are met. Next is emergency response. The hostel warden should responding to the should respond to the emergency within the hostel, including medical emergencies, the fire incidents, or security threat. Ensure that appropriate authorities are contacted. And now, their interest includes enhanced security features such as access control, surveillance monitoring, and emergency alert system, which can help ensure the safety and security of students and facilities. And last but not least is enhanced communication channels. Having robust communication channels for disseminating important information, coordinating emergency responses, and addressing student concern. Now we move on to the requirement elicitation techniques. There are two types of techniques that we have chosen, which are questionnaire and interviews. For questionnaire, we have chosen student as the target stakeholder. And method of questionnaire would be done digitally via Google Form. And total number of question is 10 question. For interview, we have chosen hostel warden for the target stakeholder, and method of interview will be done via video recording, and total number of questions will be around 5 questions. Rationale of questionnaire. One of stakeholder in the UniSZA hostel management system are the student. The rationale of choosing questionnaire technique is because it allows for a large number of response from a high number of especially the stakeholder from UniSZA student. This gives our team a comprehensive understanding of the requirement and preferences of students with regard to the UniSZA hostel management system.
Then I continue questionnaire format and structure. First, demographic. Name, faculty, semester program. Second, accommodation, placement and availability. Manage room availability, allocate room based on campus, and ensure that students can apply for on-campus accommodation using their university student ID. Third, room preference. Prefer allow students to select room preference such as specific floor or room type. Fourth, streamliners. Check-in and check-out process. Prefer minimize the risk of trespassing and ensure that students can access their room promptly upon arrival. Fifth, booking specific room numbers. Prefer offer students the option to either book specific room number based on their prefer or simplify inform them about the availability of room without specifying room number. Next, seat design consistency prefer follow the theme of other UNISA system for consistency. 7. Maintenance request. Prefer let student report maintenance issue by elder taking specific problem or by writing detailed complaint letter for specific request. 8. Login credential. Prefer login using their existing user ID and password or a separate system specific ID. 9. Efficient performance. Prefer operate efficiently, particularly during peak usage time, which minimize slowdown or delay to enhance user satisfaction. 10. Security. Prefer payment are made through the portal, the hostel management system or both, with security being a top priority for the system.
Now, I will continue about the method of recording and documenting the information gathered for questionnaire. We choose a Google form to conduct the questionnaire to gather the information needed from the student. In this Google form will consist all questions that's relevant to UNISZA hostel management system. Then we provide and share the link Google form into the WhatsApp group. And we set the duration for student to take response in within a week. After that, The information and data collected from Google Form will be downloaded from Google Sheet for proper representation of the data.
There are many ways of doing an interview, but we selected video recording for our interviews as it provides a true method of documentation, capturing not only the interview spoken words, but also the non-verbal communication. They may provide a good understanding of the stakeholders' unique business processes and business rules, and the in-person nature of the interviews provides a more relaxed environment where concepts and ideas may be thoroughly investigated.
Next, we are looking for some aspect of interview format and structures. The first one is room allocation and booking process overview. So we can ask the stakeholder or wardens, for example, can you provide an overview of the current room allocation and booking process implemented in the hostel? The second one is streamline check-in and check-out process. We can ask them, is a streamlined check-in or out process crucial for students? And how can UniSZA implement the recently announced curfew effectively with such a system? And will it aid the process? The next one is room allocation preference. So, for example, it is vital for the system to assign rooms based on student preference or special needs. Or we can ask them, do you believe students should choose their own rooms or be assigned randomly? The next aspect is data security and reliability. So we can ask them, for example, is it okay if we put the payment functionality for the student to make a payment like fees and fine or summons be made within the system, and considering the security risk of banking credential. And the last one is areas of improvement. So we can ask them, for example, what kind of improvement or enhancements do you suggest for the room booking and management system compared to its predecessor? And how will these changes benefit both students and wardens? So all the format and structures are important for us to know what else that we can improve to the system based on the requirement or need of the stakeholder. Next, we move on to the next slide, which is the method of recording and documenting the information gathered interview. So why we choose the interview technique is because it offers a comprehensive way to document interview by capturing not only the spoken words but also the interview facial expression, gestures, and body language. So the next one is the question. The question must relate to the room allocation and booking process for a student during new semesters. So next, this is the most important thing when we doing the interview. The equipment required during the interview, such as tripod, microphone, mobile phone, and so on. This is important. So next one is during interview session, we will take notes to document the main points to make sure that no important information is overlooked. So next, the last one is the venue. The venue for the interview will be conducted in the warden's rooms, and the entire session will be recorded.
Building on our previous presentation about the UniSZA hostel management system, we have compiled all the methods and relevant information from these references to lay the foundation for our system. In summary, our system is a digital solution designed to improve hostel management efficiency at UniSZA. The system will boost both operational efficiency and student satisfaction. That's all from us. Thank you.